Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to start again chapter 6 integer and exercise 6.1. So let's start. In previous class we will discuss question up to 6, up to question number 6. Now today I am going to start from question number 7. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. Students, what you have to do in this? You have to write all the integers between given pairs. In this question, you have given pair of number. You have to see which number, which integers come in between them. So, and also we have to write these number in increasing order. Increasing order, do you know? Ascending order. Okay, smallest to greatest. So, see the question number A. In question number A, 0 and -7 increasing order. Students, what you have to do in this? We have to see which number comes in between them. So firstly we have to draw a number line. Without drawing a number line, you also give the answer, but in first question I am representing you a number line. How you find the number between them? So are you seeing this number line? In this number line, firstly we will draw 0, and then right side of the 0 we have to write the positive number, like I here given 1, 2 and so on. And in left side of the 0 we have to write the negative integers, and the negative integers are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and up to -7. Okay, and so on also, but here we want only -7, so I have considered only -7. Okay, now see, mark these two pairs that is given 0. I am making here a rectangle or square to cover the 0, and -7. Now see which numbers are come in between -7 and 0. Yeah, 0 or -7. It is -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Very good. These numbers are all the integers between 0 and -7. Okay, now we want to write the numbers, all integers in increasing order. In question is given na, you have to write down in increasing order. So what is the increasing order in this number line? If we move from -7 to 0, then it is increasing order, or we move from 0 to -7, it is increasing order. If in general I will ask you, then you have to say, ma'am, 0 to -7 is increasing order, but it is wrong. Okay, why? Because I always told you, if we consider the negative integer, then the smallest number is greater and greatest number is smallest with negative sign. Okay, if we consider the positive number, then 16 or 17, then 17 is greater than 16. But if we are asking -16 and -17 which is greater, then you have to say smallest number is greater, that means -16 is greater. So we move, that means in increasing order we have to move from -7 to 0. That means -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1 are all the integers between the given pair 0 and -1 and in increasing order. If you are writing -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, it is an increasing order, then it is wrong. Okay, we have to write in from starting from -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. -6 is the smallest number in comparison to -1. Okay, because the negative sign is here, so that means -6 is smallest and -1 is greatest. So we have to write in increasing order like this. Here I am in, are you seeing in corner? When we move in number line in increasing order, then the direction is from right side, and when we move from decreasing order on the number line, then we have to move in left side. Now see the question number C. -8 and -15. All the integers between -8 and -15 in increasing order is equal to, in this we have to draw the number line. Okay, and when we draw the number line, so we have to move from -8 to -15 in left side. Okay, and all the integers will come in between -8 and -15, that is yes, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14. Okay, now these number how we write in increasing order? When we move in right side of the number, when we move start from any number and move right side, so we have to start from -15 and move right side, we get -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, -9. So this is clear. Now next, come to the question number